Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Rogue vs Hyundai Tucson, which is better. Follow along as I cover exterior design, cabin comfort, infotainment, driving dynamics, fuel economy, and ownership costs to guide your choice. Listen for practical pros and cons that match daily needs and priorities. I'll point out key differences that matter most for families, commuters, and tech-focused buyers, so you can quickly decide which aligns with your lifestyle. Comfort and design set the tone for daily use, so we'll compare interior room, seat comfort, and usability side by side. Expect commentary on materials, front and rear legroom, cargo practicality, and how each cabin feels on longer drives. I'll describe real-world ergonomics and which layout better suits parents, commuters, or anyone who values a refined driving environment, helping you picture life with each crossover. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful comparisons for you. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a practical companion on test drives and road trips that fits most cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you like. Thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Let's look at driving dynamics, engine choices, and fuel economy so you know what to expect behind the wheel. I'll explain how each vehicle handles city driving, highway cruising, and tight maneuvers, plus real-world economy impressions for everyday use. We'll cover towing and payload context where relevant, and how powertrain options shift the character from relaxed cruiser to peppier performer, matching setup to your driving priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.